like and subscribe, mathematicians.
All right, so that was like and subscribe, mathematicians. Hello, everybody. Our second review. Yay. And remember, you can watch this more than once, right? Right, everybody?
Yes.
And some people did last time, and it helped them. So we want to do what helps us. All right, so our first guest, coming all the way from Atlanta, is Zenitsu. Let's hear it for Zenitsu. All right, here we go. Zenitsu, help us out on number one, please.
Okay, so you first have to change 5% to a decimal because, we're trying to find the percent of, we're trying to find the commission, so you...
Which is the percent?
Yeah.
Can you read the problem, please?
Yeah. Miss Jones sells houses. She earns 5% commission for every house she sells. How much money should she expect to earn on the sale of a $500,000 house?
Okay, so we need to find the percentage, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So we first convert 5% to a decimal,
Okay.
which is 0.05 or...
Right, so you move this decimal two places.
Yeah.
0.05. You don't really need the 0.05, but you can use it, right? Okay, now what?
Now we multiply it by how much money she expects to sell the house, which is $500,000.
$500,000
times 0.05.
Right. What did you get?
$25,000.
$25,000. Is that what other people got too?
Yes.
Cool. All right. Okay, let me double check it on our calculator just for fun. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Is that right?
That's how you do it.
500,000. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Divided by. No, not divided by.
Ooh.
Okay, it's times. I don't know why I did that. Times 0.05. Ta-da-da. Yeah, correct. Very good. Let's give him a hand. All right, thank you, everybody. All right, coming all the way from Connecticut, here are the Gremlins. Let's hear for the Gremlins.
So last year, Mark bought a surfboard for $350. His bike value has decreased since he bought it. It is now worth $300. What is the percent of decrease? Okay, so first I did 350 minus 300.
You want to pick a color? Okay. All right. So 350 minus 300. And what does that tell us? Do you know? That tells us how much it changed.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
And
But
I,
it doesn't tell us the percent yet, but it's dollars, right? So it changed $50. Okay, now what?
Okay, now we have to divide by 50 by the original price, which it was 350,
Okay. Good.
and that will give us 0.142. And it was
0.142? Okay.
yeah.
0.142. Is that what everybody got?
and
No? Yes? Some people got it? Okay, 0.142.
and for get the percentage, just move your 14%.
14%
That's
because
the
this
percentage.
2 is lower than 5, right?
Mhm.
14%. All right, let's give them a hand. All right. Okay, so let me put, so I want to just say before we move on, so why does this work for all of our YouTubers out there who love to follow our channel? The reason why this works is because this is a ratio. And this ratio is also can be written as a fraction, and a fraction is also, what is it? Division. The fraction is also division with this division line. So that's why it works. We turn that ratio into a decimal. So let's do 50 divided by 350. All right, so 50 divided by 350 is equal to, 0.1428, right? Cool. Okay. Who's next? I don't know who's next. Our next guest, 007, coming from James Bond's world. Woo!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So, thank you. Thank you.
That's pretty exciting. Okay, can you read the problem, please, sir?
All right. Kate deposits $675 into a savings account that earns simple interest at a rate of 3% per year. How much simple interest will she earn after 5 years?
Okay, great. And can you stand a little more in front of the mic? Well, not that close, but like in the right direction, because if you're at the side, it doesn't pick you up.
Like this?
Okay, pick a color, any color.
Blue.
Blue, okay. Go ahead.
All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply 675 and 3, and that gets.
Careful, not times 3.
Sorry, no. 0.3. I'm sorry, 3%.
3%.
Yeah, 3%, which gives you.
But how do we change percent to a decimal?
You divide by 100.
Right, divide by 100. So starts like this. What happens then?
Then it moves over to the left twice.
Good, twice.
Which gets.
So 0.03. I think
Right.
you said 0.3. So be careful, right?
Hmm.
So
Not 0.03.
0.03. There we go.
All right.
All right.
And with that, we get the answer 20.25.
20.25. Okay.
Then after that, we multiply it by 5. And
Multiply by 5.
yes, 5
We all
years.
agree with that?
Yeah.
That's right, because it's 5 years. Very good, sir. We just did this for our homework yesterday.
Our answer is 5. It is 101.25.
$101.25.
Yes.
Is that what everybody got?
Yeah. See?
Cool. Did you have to round for this?
No.
No? No rounding. All right. Let's give him a hand. All right, cool. I know some of you are writing there. Good job, sir. Okay, so next we have cash money for number 4. Woo! Cash money. Let's hear it for cash money. Items will Kate be able to buy with her interest? So this is the interest. So this is the interest. Now, by the way, was this an only problem or a total problem? This was an only problem, right? So they could have asked how much is in her account total, but they didn't. They asked how much, only the interest. And so now, how much will she be able to buy with her interest? Is this her interest? Do we think? Yeah? Is this the interest? Yeah, that is the interest. Okay, go ahead.
I circled $43, $75, and $30.
Okay, pick a color. We've got highlighter. We've got yellow, green, blue, and purple.
Blue.
Blue. All right. Go ahead. Which ones?
$43,
Uh-huh.
$75, and $30.
Okay. Yeah, so 102, she can almost buy that, but she can't quite yet. All right, let's hear it. All right, cool. That one's pretty easy. All right, let's go to the next one. So this is coming from our blue world underwater is blue. Which is so many people's favorite color, right? Blue. All right, here we go. I'm assuming you want us to use blue. How about we use dark blue?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you want me to read it?
Please.
The sales tax rate in Connecticut is 5%.
Uh-huh.
Daniel wants to buy a suit that costs $70. How much money will Daniel need to buy the suit, including the tax?
Okay.
So I changed 5% into, I moved the decimal 2 places to the left,
Mm-hmm.
and I got 0.05.
Right.
And then I multiplied that by 70
Good.
and got 3.5.
Okay.
And
So
then
that's $3.50. Okay.
and then I added 70 and got $73.50.
Very good. All right. Cool. All right. Let's see. So, a sweater's on sale. Let's see who's doing that one. That is going to be coming from Santa Clarita, Jaden.
Red.
I don't have red. I got orange and pink.
Orange.
Orange, okay. So discount. A sweater's on sale, discount for 35% off. The original price, $25. What is the sale price? Is this an only problem or final price problem?
Final price.
You're right, final price, sale price. Okay, go ahead.
You turn 35 into a decimal, so it becomes 0.35.
Very good.
And then you times it by $25.
Oops. I put that in the wrong spot. Okay, so $25 times 0.35.
I got 8.75.
8.75. Did you have to round?
No.
Okay, 8.75.
And then I minus 8.75 by 25.
Well, okay, careful. You said it backwards. You have to take
Well,
the $25
25.
and subtract 8.75
Yeah.
from it. Okay,
Yeah,
good. What do we get?
16.25.
Say it one more time.
16.25.
$16.25. Is that what other people got too?
Yeah.
I'm not doing the calculator on the board, but I'm trusting everyone. All right, let's hear it for Jaden. Welcome to part 2. We are now welcoming Abby from outer space. Let's hear it for Abby. All right. Okay. Do you want to read the problem, Abby?
Sure.
Go ahead.
Your total bill
Oh,
for
can you do me a favor though? Can you move so you're
Oh.
in front of the mic? That would be so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Your total bill for dinner at Toppers is $75. You want to leave a 20% tip. How much do you want to leave for the tip, and only the tip?
Only. Okay. So, what color do you want to use?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Go ahead.
So what I did is that I made 20 into a decimal, so I put the decimal in front of 20 because the decimal moves 2 places to the left.
So it'll say point
20.
20. You are correct. Okay. Now.
And then I multiplied it with 75 because that's how much the total was for the whole dinner.
Right.
And I got 15.0.
Okay. $15. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Are we done?
No. Oh, yeah. Right? I don't even know.
Are we done, everybody? Yeah. We are done because it's an only problem.
Oh, okay.
If it was a final price problem, then you have to add it. But since we're done, since it's an only problem, we're done. All right, let's hear it for Abbott. All right, here we go. Now, coming all the way from Spain is Pablo. Let's welcome Pablo. What? Sure. He's going to read the question because he's not too shy. Thank you, sir.
You want to sell lollipops to make money for a field trip. In order to make profit, you decide to mark up the lollipops by 75%. If you purchase each lollipop for 25 cents, how much will you sell for each one? So first you do,
Oh, you want to pick a color?
Huh?
You want to pick a color?
Yeah. Red.
Red. I only have orange and pink.
Alright, I'll just do orange.
Orange. I should change that. Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
So, first you get 0.25
Okay, so 25 cents, yes.
times 75%.
Okay, how do we multiply times 75%?
0.75.
0.75. I left the 0 off.
And then you calculate it, and you get 0.1875.
0.1875. Okay, good. What do we do with that?
We add it to 0.25 or 25 cents.
Well, I like to round here. So
I round after.
Can you do us a favor and round here?
Yeah.
Okay, so if we round on this step, you could round on the last step, but I like this step. It becomes
0.19 because 7 is bigger than 5.
very good because 7 is higher than 5. Very good. Okay, now that we've rounded on this step, you could round later. Go ahead.
But you add it to 25 or 0.25.
Okay. That's because this is a final price problem. How much are you selling it? What's your final selling price, right?
44 cents.
So final price means you have to add it, correct. Okay, so we're adding 25 cents to what?
19 cents.
Yeah, to 19. Good. What do you get?
0.44 or 44 cents.
He is correct. 44 cents. I know you rounded on that second step. Okay, is that what everybody got? Yeah. All right, let's hear it.
Yay.
Pablo did it. All right, not super loud clapping, please. The microphone goes when that happens. All right, and now coming all the way from Tennessee is Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe. He's here.
That's around 2.
Uncle Joe, everybody's favorite uncle. Okay.
Yeah, everyone's favorite uncle.
Respect your elders.
He said respect your elders. Okay, here we go. Complete the table to show the interest earned.
Do I do all of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
So complete the table below. So the savings is the money you started with. Principal and savings, right? Is the money you started with. Interest is the percentage, and which is the rate, and your time period is how many years. So the vocabulary is not that important, though. Important thing is how we know how to calculate our answer. Okay, sir, go ahead.
So first step I did is turn 2% into a decimal.
Oh, good. What's your favorite color, though, first?
Blue.
Blue. Let's do that. Okay, so go ahead.
I changed 2% to a decimal, which I got 0.02.
Right. Now, in my other class, there were a whole lot of students that didn't write this down. Okay, so I want to write this work down for you so that you write it down. Please write it down. It's not for me. I'm not writing it down for me. Okay, 0.02.
Okay, next step I did, is multiply 500, which is a principal amount, times 0.02.
Right. Okay, what do we get?
10.
That gives us $10. Okay, good. Are we done?
Nope, you gotta multiply the time, which is the years, and which is 4, so you get 40.
Right. So then we got 40.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, next one.
Oh shoot. So I did the same thing as last one. I changed 3.5% into a decimal, which I got 0.035.
Alright. Careful moving your decimal on these. Okay.
Next step, I multiplied 1,000 times 0.035. And I got 35 out of that.
Okay, that becomes $35. You move the decimal 3 times. Yes.
Next time you multiply the time, which is 2 years. And then you get 70.
Good. All right. And I skip this one. You really need algebra to do this one. Or you could keep guessing. But really, I don't want to spend too much time on it. So what I want to do here is this problem. Could you do this one?
Yeah.
Uncle?
Yeah, okay. So, oh, that sounds wrong. So first step I changed is 4% into what they call 0. Actually, hold up. Yeah, 0.04. Yeah,
Right.
And then I multiply that by 450.
Right. Do you know what that makes?
Yeah, 18.
That's correct. That makes 18.
The
So
next,
we know that 1 year is 18. We know that, and we know that we're not sure how many years make 54. So what do we do?
I divided.
Yeah, you divide it. Very
Yeah.
good. And how many years is it?
What's it called? Trying to see, 3.
3. Okay. Yeah.
And that's pretty
He's
much
done.
it.
Thanks, Uncle Joe. You should visit more often, Uncle Joe. Okay. I think that's the first time I've ever had a code name Uncle in my class. Okay, and now, coming all the way from New York City is JMC. JMC. That sounds like a rapper name or something. JMC. Yeah. Let's hear it for JMC. Okay. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Alright, first one is 4 nights.
So first that we did was we moved the decimal from like the
for the. We started off with like the middle one.
Yeah, this guy here.
Yeah, but we like went for like the way better one, like the 0.7.
You did 0.7 first?
Yeah.
Let's do 4 nines first, the first row. Can we do that? Huh? What's that? Okay, go ahead. 4 nines.
So then, first you have to go and divide 4 divided by 9 because fractions is division.
Exactly. So we could write it like that, right? 4 divided by 9. What does that give us?
0.9 repeatedly.
Careful.
Well, with a line over it.
Not 0.9. It's 4 nines.
Oh, yeah, 4.
Yeah,
0.4, I mean.
repeated.
I mean
Correct,
4.
correct. Okay. And then percent?
Percent is 44% because.
44%. Very good. How did you get that?
So we had to go, and go around it to the nearest hundreds place.
Right. So we've got all these 4s. Okay. So the hundreds place is which 4?
The second, to decimal.
Exactly. The second one. So we look at the one after that. And we keep it at 44. Excellent. You got it. So 44%. Okay. How about 0.7?
First thing, is we're gonna try to get the percent.
Okay, the percent.
So, that, first of all, like, the decimal, 0.7 is not 0.7, it's 0.70.
Okay.
So then transforming that into a percent, then it would be 70%.
Very good. So, Carrot, don't fall into that trap of 0.07, right? 0.07 is 7. Okay, and so what's the fraction?
The fraction is 7 over 10.
7/10. Very good. Okay, last line.
First thing to get the decimal, you have to move the decimal from behind the percent, because it's a whole number, in front of it.
Mm-hmm.
And that gives you the decimal number,
Okay.
which is 0.12.
0.12. You don't have to have the 0 in front, but you can. Okay, last one.
Is that you have to multiply it by 100.
Okay. Well, what is the fraction?
The fraction is 12 over 100.
12 over 100. I think you said multiply, but you meant divide. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we reduce it, right? How do we reduce it?
Reduce it by dividing it by 4,
Very good.
which equals 3 over 25.
Very good. Okay. Awesome. We got all those done. Okay, let's hear it for Jancy. Okay, so we are done. Are you going to say goodbye to YouTube or anything like that? Bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube. Bye.